What is a gold loan? It is an age-old belief that an investment in gold is made to provide for a rainy day. In case of the dire need of funds, the gold would be sold or pledged with a moneylender. It is believed that the interest burden for the gold loan when pledged with the moneylender would be so high that people preferred selling the good in times of need than pledge it. In case you are planning to take a loan, one of the better options that you can consider is gold loan. Yes, you heard me right. It is a much better proposition when compared to loans like a personal loan. Hey guys, this is Simran from ClearTax and today I'll be talking about 7 reasons why you should take a gold loan in place of loans like personal loan. But before we begin, do not forget to press the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. So let's begin.
The first one is interest rates. Interest rates are much higher in the case of other loans, particularly personal loans. For example, interest rates vary from 12.75% to 19%, while in the case of gold loans, the interest rate is as low as 12% per annum. This makes gold loans a much better proposition when compared to other loans. If the amount is rather large, the saving by way of lower interest rate can be enormous. It is therefore advisable to take a gold loan. The second one is loan disbursement within an hour. In the case of personal loans, it could take as long as 48 hours to 72 hours to be disbursed. As for gold loans, all you need to do is gather your gold which you would like to pledge and your Aadhaar card, and chances are that you would come back with the loan amount with a maximum of 1 hour. So it offers you the twin benefits of quick dispersal and also lower interest rate. The third one is processing fees. The processing fee in the case of gold loans is much lower and in some cases it is as low 0. Most banks charge about 2.5% on processing fee towards personal loans, and even home loans and auto loans attract a decent processing fee charges. The fourth one is no credit history needed. You also do not need a credit history. For example, when you take a personal loan and if your credit history is not good, the bank could decline the loan. For gold loans, the history does not come into the picture as gold is provided as a collateral. This makes it far more advantageous. The next one is there's no need of income proof. One of the other advantages of a gold loan is that it does not require income proof. An auto loan, home loan and personal loan all require the applicant to show some form of income or the other. It is almost impossible to get any other loan without an income statement, bank statement or salary proof. So in this case, gold loan has an edge over other loans. The sixth one is you can pay interest only. In the case of gold loans, you can service only the interest every month. Let's say you took a gold loan interest at 12% for an amount of rupees 1 lakh. What you can do is pay just 1000 every month and the lump sum of rupees 1 lakh when you want to release the gold. The last one is no charges for early closure. A gold loan does not attract any foreclosure charges. In the case of personal loans, these charges can go as high as 4%, which is rather high.
Gold loans are fast and easy, but you must make sure that you pay the loan back or the gold would have to be surrendered. A preferable place to take a gold loan would be a gold loan company rather than a bank, as disbursement could be quick. Well, this was it for today's video. Let us know what you think about the video and comment below if you have any doubts. We will reply to it as soon as we can. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos like these. Till then, goodbye and take care.